Also tenants, if you're seeking a 3-bedroom end of terrace property in the Palfrey area, we found the ideal property for you, I think, today. I'm going to take you around now to a video tour and show you around this property. What I like about it is at the back. That's the best thing that I love about the property. So if you want to follow me, I'll take you through. So first of all, if we have a look at the property from the outside, it's a 3-bedroom end terrace. It's got front gardens. You've seen just outside it's a nice wide road, plenty of on-road parking. It's just been refurbished. We had a long-term tenant in here for about 6 years or so who's just vacated, and the property's had a complete makeover. I'll take you through and show you inside now. So if you follow me. Entrance lobby with stairs going up, and then to your left you have the lounge if you want to come in. Okay, so a good space, lounge come diner. You've got central heating, the radiators on one wall. This side you've also got a radiator on that side. Really lovely and warm. Actually, heating's on today and it's nice and warm. In the corner you've got your kind of satellite aerial. I think Virgin Media is connected there as well. Double sockets. There's a BT point there. No, that's a Virgin Media point. Sorry, it's a Virgin Media point there as well. And that says Open Reach. So I guess you've got a choice here of telecommunications, whichever one you want. New carpets, new decoration. There's an electric fire there as well. Although you've got 2 radiators, and this is really low ceilings, and it's heated up really nice and warm. I've had to open the windows a little bit. So then through here, if I just close this door, and then what I'll do, I can close this one. So usually in properties, the issues are around sockets, and there's plenty in that room. And if you come into the kitchen, you've got tiled flooring, and then you've got a range of base units, a couple of wall units, combination boiler. I think that was installed about 3 years ago, so it's not old. It's quite a new back-sea combination boiler. You've got a point here for your cooker. There's a gas point there, so gas cooker will go on there. You've got electric box here as well, so if you wanted to, you can also add in an electric cooker point. Right, so over here you've got underneath, you've got the washing machine area. And then over here you can put in a dishwasher, and you're wondering where the fridge goes. So I've got this surprise for you over here. If you just take this coat off for a bit and show you the room. Now it's got an electric point in here, and if the camera just wants to go in and sweep right, you'll see that there is it goes quite far back under the stairs. You can put in lots of things, including a nice big fridge freezer here, and obviously your toiletries, not toiletries, your mops and brushes and stuff. Okay, so just hang this coat back up. And then this door going out to the back gives you, I'll just open this and the camera can go in. No, actually you won't be able to. If you go in and just show the guest WC. So this ties in very nicely. There's just a WC there. This will tie in nicely with what I wanted to show you from the front, is the size of the rear garden at the back. Okay, so from here now we'll go out to the back garden and look at the size of this back garden. This is a great space for a family with children. You can basically lose them in this lovely back garden. If you come along with me, I just want to show you something at the back here. I don't know if people within the video will recognize it, but that's a bunker from World War II. That one there, that's the shed. That's the bunker there, a World War II bunker. And when back in the days when we were being bombed in World War II, people would, obviously around here you couldn't go into the underground what they did in London, so they would people would come and hide in there. So that's a good hiding place for kids, or a losing place if you want to lose them. So if you can show the back end of the house, it's in a row of 1 to about four or five houses. That property there has done an extension as well. If you just show just over the top, you can see the extension done, the third house on from us. So the back end of the property over here, you've got your access to your bins, where you take them out to the front on bin day. Okay. Right. Okay. So the next bit left to show you is upstairs, the bedrooms. Before we go into the bedroom, I just want to show you guys where your gas and electric meter is. It's in here. Everything up to current regs. This fuse board was installed in December 2018, just over 3 years ago. You got electric and your gas meter there as well. And just before this, we go on the stairs, this is where your thermostat is, your digital thermostat to control your room temperature, set your programmer and timer and all that kind of stuff with the heating. So you got kind of a semi-landing and then the proper landing on the top. We'll go from right to left. We'll go into this. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. But you know, it's a good size. You know, if you look across, you know, it's a good size, good width span. It's all kind of ready to go. You've got your decoration done, your carpet's done. You just need to come put your furniture down and you're ready to go. Okay, then the next bedroom is over here, your kind of 2 double rooms and 1 single room, would say. Not the biggest of rooms, I'll be honest with you. You know, what's kind of limiting you a little bit is this kind of sticking out a bit. And you've got this drawer over here, which used to house the old hot water tank, the old conventional system before the combi boiler was put in. So if this was taken out, I don't think you can do much with that. That's looks quite solid, but this is certainly like a false wall, but obviously that will give you more space then. But as it stands, it's not that big as I would have thought. But here's the other bedroom. Got a similar kind of issue in here, but again, you can see the decorations all been done in neutral colour, white woodwork, magnolia walls, brown carpet. You've got this bit. I guess your bed would kind of go into this space over here, from here, and then you can put in maybe a small wardrobe over here, maybe a little dresser over there. Electric points are on 2 walls, double sockets. And then finally, we'll show you the family bathroom. There we go. I'll let the camera go in. You got wash and basin, a electric shower with a full bath, a WC. Really good and compact, convenient. Everything's just, you know, nice and fresh and ready to go for the family that would want to take it. So I think we'll end the video tour here. Get away from the light. If you want to come in here, we'll just do it away from the light because that gives you a bit of darkness. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and if you're interested in applying for this property, all the links will be in the descriptions. Please do inquire by telephone or by email, and we'll bring you forward to a physical viewing. Do subscribe to our channel. This is where we put all our video tours on for any properties that become available before they go to the actual market. So you will be notified if you press that bell icon, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side. Thank you and take care, and look forward to seeing you soon.